Noob versus Pro. Yo, what is up, you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comicar, and I'm back with my best friend Steve here. Where are you going?
So sweaty.
Ew! You're so gross! As I was saying, I'm with Steve again. Last video, we tried out the Wish 3D pen that cost like $10 or so. It was kind of cool. So today, we have a Pro versus Noob or Noob versus Pro 3D pen challenge. Except for this time, we're both noobs. Because we have no idea how to use this. We found some pretty cool videos on YouTube of people making really cool stuff with it, and we're gonna try to do something like that. If you guys are new here, welcome to the family. So glad you guys are here joining us on the daily grind, posting every single day. So make sure you join the cool kids and turn on post notifications. Yeah, anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and... Where are you going? Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at some videos of other people using the 3D pen. So they're gonna be the pros, and we're gonna be redoing it as noobs over here. I think there was a pretty cool Fortnite llama one. Do you even know what it's called? You play Fortnite?
It's called the Fortnite llama.
That's it. I will be showing you guys the video. We're gonna take a look at it, and then we're gonna imitate it. Hopefully we get something similar. Do you think we're gonna be able to do it?
No.
No, we need to keep a positive attitude. We're gonna beat that guy and do something better. Mark my words. So okay, two-dimensional one? Yeah, he... What? Dude, he's attaching every single one. Holy crap.
Each artist has their own style. Ours will be just as good in our own way.
We'll keep telling ourselves that. Okay, let me look at a reference picture. Shoot, why is it coming out so fast? Why is it still green? Dude, at least do lines. Hey, it's not that bad.
Let's put something else in. I'll draw the blue.
Wait, no, you do the purple lines first. We'll do all of one color.
Oh god, what are you doing?
Oh my goodness.
Alright, just let it dry and we'll take it away.
You're tearing the whole thing off? How do you get that part off? Yank it. You tore the whole thing off!
We'll do it again.
Okay, redo it. Now I kind of want to try the expensive 3D pens to see how much better it is.
Probably not much better given our crappy abilities.
We're gonna find a way to make it look bad.
I don't see how you're gonna do it. It looks like this confetti. You think it's just, dude, no, you're ruining it.
With this confetti, you're just making it fatter.
Shoot, everything's sticking together.
Yeah, just get rid of it. We'll skip the confetti. Dude.
I don't think the confetti's working. Oh yeah, let's skip the confetti.
No, no. Okay, oh, that's really good.
Oh, oh shoot.
That looks like his mouth now. I think we're done.
Hang on.
Alright, now we need to make a stand for it.
Here, I'll attach it with black. It's just one leg.
Yep. Oh, pretty good.
Nice. Here, I'll put the leg back on. And then we can make it.
Yeah, it's very see-through. Is this purple or blue? Oh well.
Screw it, it doesn't matter. Wait, that's actually kind of cool. Wait, let's do a stand. Hey, it's not bad.
It's not good, but it's not bad.
Okay, I think we filmed the outro now. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments who you think won, the noob or the pro we showed you earlier. The guy that did the pro version, his name is Razum Art. Make sure you guys check him out. I left the link in the description down below if you want to watch this video. It's super, super cool. We checked it out earlier. Check out our little llama thing. Pretty cool. Anyways, this video shout out goes to Aditya Lal. If you want to win a shout out too, all you have to do is join the notification squad by subscribing, turning on post notifications by clicking that little bell, and letting me know down in the comments when you're done. Anyways, I will see you guys next time, and wait, hold up. We can't just keep this. This looks so bad. I think we need to do something drastic here. Alright, you guys, so this is the llama we made. And honestly, it looks hideous. So we are gonna destroy it. Press F to pay respects. The Fortnite llama 2018 to 2018. Would you like to do the honors?
No, I'll hold the camera.
Am I smashing it?
Yeah.
No. It was your idea. You're smashing it. All right.
Oh, God.
Steve, smashing it 2018 to 2018. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Barely broke. Only its ears broke.
Okay, my turn.
This should be sturdy. Well built.
2, 1.
Oh.
Oh, the back came off. Hey, it's your turn. We'll take turns until it's completely wrecked. There. Okay. We did it.
Oh, this is brutal.
Oh, guys, press F to pay respects. The llama unfortunately did not make it to the end of this video.